Gemini, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page been a blessing to you, your word of the day is goodness, the goodness in and around you. I hope that you've been giving yourself credit and congratulations for all your efforts. The character carving, the transformation. I hope that you're giving yourself credit for all the good things and how you've been able to change and the good that's coming your way. The old you cannot step into the new blessings you've been asking for and that are on the way, and I know that you know that, and I want to give you a lot of love for actually continue to put in the effort. I refine my character. I overcome difficulties by remaining positive. I calm my heart and illuminate my intellect to transform shadow into light, light from the darkness. You are in control of your life, and I see that you're understanding that and you're actually implementing that. I consciously manifest goodness in and around me. I improve my qualities for the benefit of all. Congratulations, because I need you. The world needs you to step up and continue to refine those characteristics that don't serve you and continue to hone in on and zone in on the goodness that are around you, because we love you. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.